Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to get observation v1 or can v1, and I'll be doing this on my own. Just so you know, the requirements for instinct v1 are to be level 300 or higher and having completed the saber expert quest. So that's what we're gonna have to do first. Follow everything I do. Go to jungle and press all of the green tiles. You don't have to do it in the specific order, but you have to press all of them, and there are currently 5 on jungle, so you're gonna have to press all 5 of them. After you finish doing that, what you're gonna wanna do is head over to the middle of jungle and head over to the basement, which is gonna be open when you finish tapping all the 5 locations. Then you're gonna take the torch. You don't have to read this, but if you want, you can do it. Take the torch and head over to desert. Now that you're here, start from the port and head over to the first house that you're gonna see, the isolated house on the left side, and enter through the red door. Go down the basement, and now you're gonna have to use your torch to burn down the wall. Now that it's burned, take the cup and head over to the frozen village. Enter from the transparent door thing and hold out the cup so you can collect the water falling down from the icicle. Head over to Pirate Village so you can go and meet his son and interact with him. He will give you a quest to go and take down the mob leader, which is a level 300 boss who's located at the unnamed island on First Sea. Use the relic he will give you to open the secret door at Jungle Island. Now that it's opened, if you're on a new server, you have to wait 30 minutes for him to spawn, or just continue server hopping till you find a server which has him. And in this case, it took me about 5 tries and I finally found the Shanks boss, or the Saber Expert boss. Killing him will grant you the legendary sword Saber, and it's a 100% guaranteed drop rate. And now that you have it, you can finally head over to Skylands and buy Observation V1. Something to know is that Instinct V1 is trash. You get this blurred screen whenever you use it, and Instinct V2 is way better. You can go and watch that video right here, which will teach you about how to obtain Observation V2, and the link will also be in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and road to 1K subscribers.